Good day to Dr. Mahanin and Stephanie Ming. Today I'm going to present about my industry training progress report for December 2020. First, I'm going to give some introduction about the company. Biocon Limited is founded by Ms. Kiran Manjuja Shah in 1978, which is the Indian leading biopharma company. Biocon Malaysia is the Asia's largest integrated insulin manufacturing company that developed by Biocon Limited with a total investment of $300 million. Biocon is driven by the belief that pharmaceutical industry has the responsibility to create and deliver affordable blockbuster drugs with potential to benefit billions of patients. And the first Biocon commercial operation began in 2016 with Biocon recombinant human insulin as the first biosimilar product developed locally. And the vision for Biocon is to enhance global healthcare through innovative and affordable pharmaceuticals for patients, partners, and healthcare systems across the globe. And the mission for Biocon is known as Mission 11.5.1, which as shown in the picture. Biocon wishes to achieve 5 million patients and $1 billion revenue through the 11 strategy initiative by 2022. Then we will proceed to the knowledge that I have learned in the past 10 weeks of industry training, which is about current good manufacturing practice, CGMP. The objective of CGMP is to provide a framework to ensure proper design, monitoring, and regulation of manufacturing process and facilities. Biocon is one of the companies that's certified by the National Pharmaceutical Control Bureau (NPCB) with CGMP. The pharmaceutical company like Biocon that's certified by CGMP means that the company is equipped with adequate control of manufacturing process that can help to ensure the final product to meet the standard quality requirement. Besides, CGMP also includes all the aspects of production from starting material, premise, employee training to personal hygiene, and the others. The detailed written procedures are important as it can influence the quality of finished product and also serve as documented proof that correct protocols are consistently followed in the manufacturing process. Then proceed to the advantages of CGMP. CGMP is an important circumstance to ensure the safety of the consumer. This is because usually the defect of drug will not be detected through sight, touch, or smell. It will only be detected through testing before the drugs are being released or sold in the market. So, it is important for a biopharma company to comply with CGMP, as CGMP helps to avoid such as reprocessing, rework or rejection of product, mistake or even error that might happen during manufacturing process, or cross-contamination due to improper implement of procedure, mislabeling and other side effects. Besides, CGMP also helps to provide the product quality, customer satisfaction, increase the confidence level of customer toward our product, and also economization of the process that leading to improved profit, productivity, and also lowering the cost of production. Then moving on to the CGMP regulation. CGMP regulations are the quality approach to manufacture, allowing the company to minimize or eliminate any possible error in the manufacturing process. And below are some of the CGMP regulations that apply in Biocon. The first we have 21 CFR Part 210 for CGMP in manufacturing, processing, packing or holding of drugs. Then 21 CFR Part 211 is CGMP for finished pharmaceutical. Third is 21 CFR Part 212 CGMP for positron emission tomographic drug. Fourth is 21 CFR Part 314 for FDA approval to market a new drug. 21 CFR Part 600 for biological product in general. And last is 21 CFR Part 11 for electronic record in electronic signature. And for your information, the company that fail to comply with CGMP regulation may have very serious consequences, includes product recall, arrest, fine, and also imprisonment. Moving on to the next slide is experience. I was assigned to work under quality management team and mainly on handling manufacturing documents. And I was glad that I was given chances to practice good documentation practice in handling of documents. So, GDP are the guidelines that provided for document management according to GDP principle, which include attribute, legible, contemporaneous, original, and accurate, which is also known as ALCOR. And the first principle is attribute. All the data generated must be attributed to a person that generating the data. And second is legible. Clarity in language and handwritten entry is a must, so it is readable by everyone. Third is contemporaneous. All the tasks should be recorded as and when completed, because real-time recording will help to prevent memory error from occurring. And fourth is integrity. Documents should be the first capture of data and cannot be modified to ensure the integrity of data. Last is accurate. Data must be recorded specifically, cross-checked for any inconsistency, and no intentionally deceptive to ensure that the data is correct, truthful, valid, and reliable. Then we'll proceed to the benefits of GDP. It is benefit to practice GDP in handling of document in Biocon, as it helps to ensure a smoother operation, having complete information and knowing how to deal with issues properly. GDP also help Biocon to maintain a consistent level of documenting and recording across the company. These tasks help to ensure the documentation is clear, concise, and comprehensible. Besides, any error in documentation can be also reduced and avoided by having mechanism to properly record the data. And last but not least, GDP also help to improve the visibility of quality assurance system, as it provides a route for auditors to investigate the overall performance of the company. Then move to the skill develop and problem can encounter. First, develop. The first skill developed is attention to detail. Attention to detail is the capability to efficiently manage cognitive resource to achieve thoroughness and precision during performing tasks. Attention to detail also helped me to improve the productivity at work to prevent the task from being reworked or revised. For example, during the updating of Kappa and Kappa EM tracker, I will always ensure that the data updated for every column is correct and remark what we make if there are any unusual data. And the second skill developed is teamwork. Teamwork is the key to effective operation of a company. Teamwork encourages the employee to work together for the company benefit and thus reduce the employee desire to fight against each other. For example, there are three subsections under QMS, which is Kappa, change control, and deviation. All the subsections are interrelated and will help each other in solving problems or handling of manufacturing equipment. Then moving on to problem encounter, which is lack of knowledge. During my 10 weeks of industry training at Biocon, I realized that my knowledge about biopharma industry was insufficient, but undeniable that my knowledge about this field has grown from nothing, but yet still not enough for me. The reason why I say this is because there's always something new for me to learn, no matter in change control, deviation, or kappa, and I need to catch up very quickly so I can adapt to the working environment. Thus, in conclusion, the knowledge for me to learn from manufacturing of insulin is not just about the process, but also on how we can ensure that the drug delivered to customer always comply with CGMP. I have also acquired new skill and knowledge that I have never exposed to in my previous internship experience. And thus, for my recommendation, I think Biocon is a suitable place for learning of new knowledge and gaining of experience for an intern or trainee. And I believe that it will be useful in our future. And I think that's all for me. Thank you.